It has been a year since Santaquin Police Sergeant Bill Hooser was killed during a traffic stop along I-15. The man accused of running him over with a semi was back in court just a few hours ago as this case moves closer to trial.
News specialist Alex Cabrera listened in on today's hearing, joins us now live. And Alex, what happened today in court?
Well, Debbie and Mike, today's court appearance was requested by Michael Jane. He is the person who was accused of killing Santaquin Police Sergeant Bill Hooser. Jane requested this hearing because he wants one of his attorneys off of the case. Now, today's hearing in court, it was a virtual meeting between Jane, his defense, the prosecution, and the judge. Rudy Bautista, who was Jane's main attorney, said he was okay with taking Nick Falcone off of the defense team and adding Brad Henderson. Now, the state's attorney, Chad Grunander, he said he was also okay with the switch, but he has concerns about the defense bringing on an attorney this late, with Jane's preliminary hearing set to begin June 30th, because Grunander doesn't want there to be any excuses for a delay.
This is a relatively complex case. The stakes, of course, are very high, with death on the table. And Mr. Jane is entitled to two attorneys, clearly under Rule 8, and two attorneys that can effectively represent him.
However, Jane then told the court he didn't trust his defense and wanted to request a meeting with the judge to talk about his concerns.
My life is at stake. I'm fighting for my life, and I do have some serious concerns about my defense, and I don't want to continue to come back to the court or file motions to air out those concerns.
Now, right after that, Jane's attorney, Bautista, recommended he stop talking about it in the hearing because of reporters who were in the virtual hearing. Judge Thomas Lowe set another hearing for next Wednesday to see if whatever issues Jane has with his attorneys can be worked out so that the preliminary hearing can take place as scheduled June 30th and July 1st. Jane is facing the death penalty if convicted. Of course, we will continue to cover this case as it works its way through the legal system. For Live at 5, I'm Alex Cabrera.